Hello and welcome back to Higher Maths Integration. We are going to look at a combination of differentiation and integration in this video for lesson 3b. So let's have a look at the question. So example 5 here, differentiate y equals 5 over bracket to the power 4 with respect to x. So that is just the chain rule. Okay, so we're going to be differentiating in that first bit there, guys. It does tell me to do that. And then it says hence or otherwise find the integral of this. So how do I differentiate? So I can't differentiate with a function of x as a numerator, so this needs to come up and become bracket to the negative 4. So I get so to differentiate, so dy dx equals negative 4 multiplied by 5 bracket to the power negative 5. And we must multiply by the derivative of the bracket, which will be 3. So I'll get negative 20 bracket to the negative 5 multiplied by 3, so that's negative 60 bracket to the negative 5. Okay, so that's negative 60 over 3x minus 1 to the power 5. Right, part B, hence or otherwise find the integral of 1 over 3x minus 1 all to the power 5 dx. Right, if I differentiate whatever I've got in part A, I get negative 60 over 3x minus 1 to the power 5. That looks similar to this, except it's negative 60 times as large. Okay, so if I'm integrating negative 60 over 3x minus 1 to the power 5, I know I will get 5 over 3x minus 1 to the power 4. Okay, why do I know that? Because in part A I've differentiated this, and I've got this. So if I integrate this, I will get back to this, and of course I will need my constant of integration on there, as we always do. Okay, so the integral of this, so I'm not integrating negative 60 over 3x minus 1 to the power 5. I'm integrating 1 over 3x minus 1 to the power 5. It does say hence, so it's in the question, so it's telling us to use what we've done in part A. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply this by negative 60. But if I do that, I need to take out a factor of negative 1/60th, because negative 1 over 60 multiplied by negative 60 is 1, which is what I've got here. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm making this look like this, because I know the integral of this straight away. Okay, so if I just want to make this negative 60, I need to have a negative 1/60th at the front here. So when I multiply this by this, I will just get this. Because 1 over 60 multiplied by 60 is 1 whole. 60 over 60 is 1. So negative 1 over 60 multiplied by negative 60 would be 1 whole. And my 5's disappear there. There should be a power 5 on the bracket there. I've just noticed that. So once I've made that step, I'll have the integral of this dx will just be 5 over 3x minus 1 to the 4 plus c. So I'll have negative 1/60th of that, because the integral of all of this, as we know from part A, will give me that. So 5 over 60, we can simplify by a factor of 5 there, so I'll simplify to negative 1/12, which will give me my final answer here. Again, so we've got a little, is it a trick? Would I call it a trick? I'm not sure if I'd call it a trick, but we just need to make this look exactly the same as that, rather than quite similar to it. So negative 60 on the top, but take out a factor of negative 1/60th as well, because negative 1 over 60 times negative 60 is 1 whole. Okay. Right, we've got a similar question in example 6 there. How much time do we have?